Hello everyone, my name is Akshat and continuing with hashtag DrGViswanathan's challenge, question number 37. Let me just recheck pretty quick. Yes, question number 37, valid anagrams. So it's an easy level question. You just need to see whether two strings are anagrams or not. So it's a relatively small code which I have written. O of n time complexity, 2 times for loop, and this is the space and time complexity. So yeah, it is an easy question and this question is done. So thank you for watching this video, and thank you for the one who is actually giving like from past few videos. I don't know who that is, so I just thought to mention that. So thank you. I will post more videos.